Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am going over some updates for the channel, updates for some things that we've been working on, and just giving you a rundown of some things I've been learning along my entrepreneurial journey as of late. A couple of things, because I have a couple different startups I'm working on. Let's start with the one I keep talking about, but not really going too deep into it. Everything that we're trying to do with that is finally getting solidified in a way. We're in communication with all the people that we've been fighting with to just get paid. And I have been learning a little bit more on the ins and outs of that business in terms of where the money's coming from and how the cash flows. First off, I don't know if you guys have worked a job to where you got to work for a couple of weeks before you get paid, so especially if you're working at a job that has a bi-weekly payout. And there are companies that'll pay that first week for you, like you almost get a free week of pay, but this isn't the case for this one. Like if you're a contract worker for this company, the way it works is that, or really any company in disaster relief, the way it works is that they'll hold your check for the first couple of weeks, and then they'll pay you out on the third week, fourth week if worst case scenario, something happens with FEMA or something like that. Some companies offer the opportunity to get advances, and obviously the more middlemen down the road, there's different problems. One company has been good about paying us for the work we do, but not good about the advances that they offer us, because what this company offers is an advancing system utilizing a factoring company to increase cash flow faster. That said, they're just not doing that. They're just not following through in that regard, which is frustrating, but it is what it is. There's a lot of crazy communication between this guy that we're trying to get the money from and the guy that he's trying to get the money from with us. It's just a big fiasco. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but we're working on that. I wanted to talk about is more prominent to the channel, and that is the self-delivery course. And first off, I've been getting a couple of questions about that in the server, mainly in the elite chat about it. And as we have stated before, there are two current packages. One is the $199 self-delivery course that we held live on December 4th. There was only one member at the time, and he's really excited to hit the ground running in Texas. He's really excited to hit the ground running, and we're excited to be working with him. The other opportunity we have is the $24.99, which is more of a hold my hand walkthrough system. We're working on a third package that is going to be really exciting to announce. I won't go too deep into that, but we're also working on, instead of it being a live stream, to be a course that people can look back on and go through all the details on. Because in that case, you don't have to be there for the live. You could just go at your own pace and work as you go, which is kind of what I wanted my YouTube channel to be, like you will learn as you go. You can get as much information as you need it, but we're doing that via the course, and we're going to be working on that on our side, so stay tuned for that. But what's cool about everything that I'm talking about is all of that is things that I'm learning from as I go. It's not like some people could go in the comment section and just be like,
well, obviously, Joe, what did you think? Like, people had the time of day all the time? Come on. Not everybody can go at your schedule, Joe.
And you're right, absolutely. And this goes for disaster relief as well. They can't pay me on my schedule. They can only pay me on their schedule or FEMA schedule or whoever. I just find the experience of experiencing, I just find that experiencing it myself helps me better understand the system. Like, I knew that logistics was going to be a pain. I know that there are people that just won't pay and people that just won't follow through, and I get that. But understanding the difference between somebody doing it out of malice and somebody doing it for a valid reason is actually a good conversation. Regardless, everything has moved forward today in the slightest bit, and I like that. Oh, and also the interview that I have with Miko, the entrepreneur, Entrepreneur is almost done. I'm just doing some final touches on it now, and then we will be releasing that not tomorrow because we have the live stream tomorrow at 9 Eastern Standard Time with Bud Soda, so feel free to join us there, as well as the Discord live show on Tuesday after that, so join us there for that as well. And finally, we have all of this done, and I'm also working on my website, and I'm really excited to announce all of that in the near future on a more official scale, and I'm really looking forward to helping people make the most amount of money in the least amount of time and in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.